The Toy Factory has 843 toys to ship out to stores. They can fit 6 toys in each box. How many boxes do they need? So we are solving this with an area model, and you're going to end up with a remainder, and then you have to interpret that remainder to figure out the actual answer. Get a mountain climber in here. Super important that you pause the video multiple times so you can just try steps. Try a step on your own, then come back and check if you got it right. Don't just sit and watch, because you're not going to learn anything just by sitting and watching, but if you pause, try a step, unpause, see what I did, correct if you need to, and then try the next step on your own. Your brain is like a muscle, so if you stretch it and flex it and use it, it will be stronger tomorrow. And if you don't use it, it won't get stronger, and it'll be hard every day. But pause the video, give it a try. Let's do our first step. Look at that 8. Let's make it an 800. 6 times something will get us to 800. Take away the 0. 6 times something will get us to 8. Pause the video, give it a try. What goes here? Let's do 6 times 1 gets us close to 8, I should say. Let's put the zeros back in. 6 times, let's do 6 times 100. Because remember, you're just chipping away at this big number. All right, where does the 100 go? The thing we multiplied it by. Put it on yours. Where does the 600 go? Down here. Now, we've already made 600 worth of progress towards our 843. So our climber has already climbed up to here. How are you going to find the difference of what's left to go? By subtracting. 843 minus 600. Where does this go now? Put it where it goes. Goes right here. Now we're going to do, let's draw another triangle, 243 divided by 6. Because we already chipped away a bunch of it. But, you know, instead of 243, could we just think of it as 200? Or, hey, could we think of it as 24? 240? That would be pretty great. Up to you how you want to do it. I'm going to look at the 200. Can we do 6 times something that gets us close to 20? Get rid of the 0. What about 18? 6 times something gets us to 18, right? Go ahead and try that. 6 times 3 gets us to 18. Therefore, 6 times 30 gets us up to 180, right? Where's that 30 go? Right here. Where's the 180 go? Right here. What do you do next to find the difference of how much further you have to go to climb the mountain? You subtract. We have 63 left to go. That's it. All right. Now, can we do 6 times something to get to 63? Well, not really. Could we get to 60 though? Remember, you always want to try stuff you know. 6 times what equals 60? 10. Where's the 10 go? Here. We got up to 60. That goes here. And there's 3 left over. That's your remainder. Add these together, and that's your mathematical answer with the remainder. So on the pixel art, that's 2 different columns. So one column has, what's 100 plus 30 plus 10? 110. And then our other column would have our remainder 3. And then here's my question. All right, so the Toy Factory, hold on. The Toy Factory was able to fit 6 toys in each box, and they used 110 boxes with 6 in each, but then they had 3 left over. 3 what left over? What did this big number refer to? Toys. So there were 3 toys left over. What did they do with them? Did they use another box? Did they not use another box? When you go into columns D and E, you have to actually answer the question. So 110 what? Or 111 what? Or 109 what? So your answer, this is your mathematical answer, but your actual answer might be different.